Okay, I really don't need to say anything. We're at a Croatia National Park. Check this out. I feel like the sun's bouncing off my phone. I'm going to try to move over a little.
Park like over there, I could send that fucking drone anywhere. Just launch it from over there.
Alright. It's beautiful. Now see, why can't I find some place like this that nobody knows about and just move there? Free showers, find me a hot spring. I'd be good to go. I'd be happy. Plant me a little garden, give me a couple of chickens and a rooster. Nah, the hell with the rooster, he'd be waking me up. Wow, that's so pretty. Cool. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at the... Oh man, that's so awesome. I want to go swimming. This is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Wow. Oh, I want to go swimming so bad underneath the waterfall. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Look at that. Oh look, a sunken boat. Wow, that water is crystal clear.